Then two charges. This is what is it? Plus 4 Q1 is equal to 4 into 10 power of minus 9 coulombs. Then Q2 is equal to minus of 16 into 10 power of minus 9 coulombs. So these two charges are separated by a distance, that is R is equal to 20 centimeters. Then find what is it? Position of the neutral point from the smaller charge. Find the position of the neutral point from the smaller charge. Actually, for unlike charges, here neutral point will be found at this outside of the two charges. Why? Because we can consider one coulomb test charge. This positive charge, it is repulse. This is intensity due to this charge, and intensity at this point due to this charge is 2 volts. Therefore, resultant intensity will be 0 at this point. So this point it is locating, for example, x. Then what is that? Intensity at this point due to first charge is equal to what is that? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 divided by what is that? X square. Intensity at this point due to this second charge, that is E2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 divided by R plus X whole square. This is the distance of this point from this charge, right? So what is that here? E1 is equal to E2. Intensity of electric field at this point, it is equal in magnitude, opposite in sign. Then equate them. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 divided by x square, it is equal to 1 by 4 pi into epsilon naught Q2 divided by R plus X whole square. Get cancelled. Then R plus X divided by X, that is equal to Q2 divided by Q. R nothing but 20 centimeter plus X by X, that is equal to Q2. Q2 is the charge, that is 16 into 10 power of minus 9. Only magnitudes we can consider, but no sign. Okay, magnitudes only we can take. Then 4 into 10 power of minus 9. Then get cancelled. 4 ja 60. So what you are getting? 20 plus x by x, that is equal to 4x. So sorry, 4. Here 20 plus x, that is equal to 4x. So where 20 plus 20, that is equal to 3x, where x is equal to 20 divided by 3 centimeter. This is okay. Here okay. So the magnitude of electrical field intensity at x due to charge q is, this is charge q. Then field is created around it at x distance. The intensity of the electric field is what is it? E. Then E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by what is it? X square. Then if identical charge is placed at a distance, what is that? 2x, then find the magnitude of force. Same identical charge it is keeping at 2x distance, then E dash is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by 2x whole square. Then find the force at this point. Then E dash is equal to what is that? F by q. Therefore E is equal to F by q. F by q, that is equal to then 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q divided by x square divided by 4. Up to here we can written as what is it? F by q, that is equal to E divided by 4. Therefore force is equal to E by EQ divided by 4. right. Start yes, no. That 26th one. So 3 small spheres, each will be carrying what is that charge q. 3 small spheres. This is sphere 1, sphere 2, sphere 3. Each will be carrying a charge q. This is cap q. Charge carrying on the sphere is q. And placed at the 3 corners of this what is that triangle on the circumference of the circle. This is circle. So see, 3 charges will be keeping at the 3 corners of the triangle on the circumference of circle. Then radius is r, it is equal. Why? Because equilateral triangle. Then calculate the resultant intensity of the electric field due to what is that 3 spheres. What is the resultant intensity at this point? Just we can consider one Coulomb test charge. This charge is repulsed in this direction. This charge is repulsed. This charge is repulsed. Then resultant intensity at this point. Therefore, ER is equal to 0. That is 0. Next. So 27th one. A electric field in the origin radially outward with a magnitude E is equal to A into R. Then find the charge contained in the sphere of radius. R is equal to 20 centimeter. A value is given is equal to 100 volt per meter square. 20 centimeter nothing but 20 into 10 power of minus 2 meter. Then find what is that? Question is the electrical field is radially outward from the sphere. This is sphere. Electric field is radially, charge is locating at this point. Electric field is radially outward. Then find the magnitude of charge in the sphere. What is the charge? Magnitude of charge. Radius is given. Then charge value, q value we can find out. Therefore, electrical field intensity, due to the sphere at this point, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by r square. Therefore, A is nothing, E is nothing but AR, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q divided by r square. Here A is given 100 into R is nothing but 20 into 10 power of minus 2, that is equal to 9 into 10 power of 9 into Q charge we can measure. R radius is given 20 into 10 power of minus 2 whole square. Then here two zeros get cancelled, we will get only 20. Then 20 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into q divided by here 2 into 10 to the power of minus 1, that is 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2. After simplifying, then we can send into left side. Therefore 4 to the 80 into 10 to the power of minus 2, that is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into q. So what is that? Q is equal to 80 divided by 9 into here 10 power of minus 11. After sending this value, then what is that here? 0.88 into 10 power of minus 11. After sending one digits, that is 8.8 into 10 power of minus 10. This is Coulomb of charge. 8. After sending of what is that? Directly we will get, that is 8.8 into 10 power of minus